I negotiated £42,850 off this property on Rightmove. I purchased this one-bedroom apartment that was listed on Rightmove for offers in excess of £280,000 for £237,150. That's a discount of £42,850 or 15% off the original asking price. The apartment was very much unloved. The kitchen was in a poor state of repair. The bathroom actually had a boxing bag in it, which I thought was very strange, but a good use of space. I asked the following questions to the estate agent, and these were the responses I received back. How long has the property been on the market? Flat has been on the market for some time now, and the current owner does not live in the property but is looking to sell as he is moving abroad. Have there been any viewings? And the agent said there have been quite a few viewings, and there are quite a few viewings booked in after you. What's been the general feedback? Feedback has been positive and the flat has received a lot of interest, but it does require work. What's the situation of the sellers? Have they found somewhere else or are they still looking? And how quickly are they looking to move? The flat is being sold with no chain and the owner is looking for a quick sale as he's moving abroad. Do you have an idea of what the owner is willing to accept? The owner is looking for a swift sale, so someone who can complete quickly given that he is moving abroad is more important to him. I spoke with the estate agent and we agreed to initially purchase the apartment for £252,000. That represented a 10% discount, which for central London was good. We said we would be buying on a bridge, and so this was akin to cash, and we could do this quicker than someone that needed a residential mortgage to buy this apartment. Although the owner was not over the moon about the offer, he agreed. During the conveyancing, it transpired that the apartment had a title restriction on it. The current owner had purchased the apartment from the council at a discount, and as a result, the council had the first right of refusal in relation to any subsequent sale by the owner for a period of 5 years. This information was not disclosed to us at any point and was only raised to us by our solicitor during the conveyancing process. I spoke with my broker who said that the refinance might be more difficult given that a lot of buy-to-let lenders didn't like title restrictions. We even asked the council if they wouldn't mind having this restriction removed, but they declined. We decided to renegotiate our offer by a further 5%, which was £14,850, given the additional risk and uncertainty. Final offer was accepted and we completed on the property for £237,150. We managed to negotiate £42,850 off the Rightmove listed price. My plan was to move the kitchen into the living room to create an open plan kitchen diner and change the kitchen into a bedroom. I looked at the floor plan and the kitchen was a little bit small for a double bedroom and the living room was 14 square meters. I set myself a criteria that the living room has to be at least 15 square meters, so this was a reasonable size. I only viewed this property once and for some reason I thought it would be a great project for the following reasons. It was a one-bedroom flat that I can convert into 2 bedrooms. Low-rise block, even though it was on the 5th floor and there was no lift, it was on the top floor and I knew this would be more mortgageable than some of the high rises I had seen previously. Battersea Park Station was a 6-minute walk. The view outside the door was of the power station, which was under construction, and I felt that the area was going to experience significant amounts of capital growth in the near future. There were rumours that a new Northern Line station was going to open up nearby, and it finally did. The station was Battersea Power Station Underground, which was now a 3-minute walk from the flat. This project showed how important it was to build up a picture of the apartment, the owner and the area. By putting all the pieces of the jigsaw together, I was able to build up a picture which gave me more clarity on what the owner would be willing to accept and also what the apartment might be worth once reconfigured. I have attended a lot of property training courses and seminars and I was always taught to try and get below market value deals, ideally 25% BMB. But this project showed me that getting a 25% discount is unrealistic. Also at the same time, it's not just a discount, it's about the uplift that you can create. So although I only negotiated a 15% discount in relation to this apartment, we created further uplift by turning it into a 2-bedroom apartment using the B4R model. Every agent I spoke with said the same thing to me. By adding a bedroom, you won't increase the value of this apartment, and even to this day, I get the same comments from agents. But in my mind, does a 2-bedroom apartment cost more than a 1-bedroom apartment? And the answer is yes. A 2-bedroom apartment must be more valuable than a 1-bedroom apartment. I saw this quote about success which really fitted well with this project and property. There is no elevator to success. you have to take the stairs, 5 floors of stairs in this case.